Hi guys, welcome back to our channel How Logical. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how to download or install Home Budget with Sync. To do so, follow some simple steps with me. First of all, go to your Play Store or App Store, then search Home Budget with Sync. There you can see the app. Press on it, then press Install. It might take a while to install the app depending upon your internet speed. Once the app has been installed, open the app and enjoy using Home Budget with Sync to track down your income and expenses and budgeting your finances staying at home. This was for today's video. If you find our video helpful, please leave a like and comment. And do not forget to subscribe our channel and hit the bell icon. I'll see you guys again in our next video. Thank you.